Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. In this video, I would like to tell you guys how to learn English easily. Some people told I don't have that much time to learn English. Yes, but I want to improve my communication skills. I want to improve my language. But I don't have that much time to learn English. So in this video, I would like to provide you guys how to manage our time and how to learn English easily. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon whenever I upload which is in the English content so you get notification easily. So let's begin. So how to learn English easily? Yes, everyone wants to learn English easily, but we don't have that much time to learn English easily. But I have example for you guys. Yes, I have beautiful example for you. You have to learn English easily. Like sometimes what happens while we cooking, so at that times we listen normal music. So you have to listen normal 6 minutes video. So it's benefit for you. It's hard to maintain our time to learn English easily. Yes, we are elder. We don't have that much time because we have lot of things to do. Am I right, guys? Yes. So while you are cooking, so at that time, simply you put earbuds and then you listen only 6 minutes video. And then see changes easily. Yes, you relentlessly, you have to learn English. So it's benefit for you. We want to improve our spoken English. We want to speak front of people, front of camera. But while we speak in English, so at that time we have hesitation, we have fear. We are unable to crack interview. We are unable to speak front of people. Why? Just because of fear. So you have to speak in English at least 5 minutes every day. You have to listen at least 10 minutes while you're cooking, while you're riding a bike, while you're riding a scooty, while driving a car. And then you listen. I'm not talking about hours video. I'm talking about half an hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes according to you. Yes, you manage your time and then see changes, isn't it? And what about me, guys? Why am I speaking too fluent? And now I have big fluency just because I did lot of effort. So that's why. You know what happened, guys? When you speak in English, so it's benefit for you. You easily correct interview, you crack interview, you easily connect people. You don't know stranger. But while you speak in English, so you know stranger easily. So that's why I'm talking to you guys. You have to speak in English. You have to learn. Because upcoming days, everyone want to learn English. Everyone, while you go to office, while you go to bank, so people want to speak only English. So at that times, you don't know how to speak in English. So this is your fault. So you have to change your body language. You have to change your mind. And then you learn to speak. Like as soon as possible, I want to achieve my fluency. I achieve my communication skills. I'm not a loser person. I have been confident to learn English easily. Yes. And why today this video is little strange. Yes, because earlier when I make video in a beginning time, so at that time I don't know how to express word. But now I'm expressing word. Why? Guys, just because when you speak in English, so that times you have to stretch words. Why I'm talking, even native speakers also stretch words. So that's why they are fluent speaker. They also make mistake, lot of make mistake. But still they are speaking. Why? Just because they don't have fear. And what about you guys? You are just making, excuses like I don't have that much time to do to improve my spoken English. Yes, but I want to improve my How? It's not possible. If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to maintain your schedule. You have to make to-do list and then see changes, isn't it? Otherwise, you never will learn English easily. It takes too much time. Why I'm telling you guys, you know, we fluent our mother tongue. But when it comes to the English, so at that time, we don't know how to speak even single sentence. Why we don't know? Just because we are not habitual to speak in English. But now, why I want to improve my spoken English? Just because I want to build my confidence. I want to speak front of people. I want to record my session. I want to upload my video in YouTube. Why? Just because I want to connect stranger. I want to explore new places, and now I have confidence. So you have to tell relentlessly every day and then see changes. Otherwise, no anyone support. We told now we have enemy, no anyone support me, no anyone teach to learn English. But what about you? You have enemy in your side, you know. You have to know yourself like what I want to and how can I improve my spoken English. Many YouTubers told what like 10 days challenge, 20 days challenge and 30 days challenge and then you learn English easily. But it's totally myth, guys. Don't watch these kind of video. Why they upload these kind of thumbnail? Just because they want to grab a people, they want to attention, isn't it? So don't go and don't watch these kind of video. If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to speak whatever you want. Every day we are speaking, you know, sometimes what happens in Hindi to English, we sometimes speak. While we speak in Hindi, so I'll give one example which is Hindi. You know, sometimes what happens, अभी अभी बात हुई थी मेरी पापा से, हेमंत से, जब हम सामने फ्रंट में बैठे हुए थे तो मेरे पापा ऐसे बोले सॉरी कि जब भी मैं लावण्या कुछ ऐसा कुछ करता हूँ तो मैं नर्वस हो जाता हूँ, यू नो. तो ये जो नर्वस वाली है ना वो इंग्लिश में ही आती है. बट व्हाइल यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, सो एट दैट टाइम यू सिंपली यूज व्हाइल आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, सो एट दैट टाइम्स आई फील नर्वस. यू हैव टू से नर्वस. यू नो, जब भी हम गाड़ी को बैक करते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, आंधे आंधे बैक करना है. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड ऑल्सो इंग्लिश. But what happened, guys? We want to improve our spoken English, but we have words, but we don't know how to utilize our words in English. Why? Just because of practice. You have to do everyday practice. Practice makes perfect, isn't it? You try yourself every day. It's okay. You don't starting. It's too hard to maintain our time, like beginning time, it's too hectic. No, I don't want to learn English. That times you pulling your leg. You have to start. You have to overcome your fear. You have to tell yourself, yes, I want to learn English as soon as possible. I achieve my fluency. Yes, I want to crack interview. This is my perspective. That's all. And then see changes. And you have to do at least 5 minutes, 6 minutes video, whatever you want to. I never ever force to you. You watch only my video. You go another video. What you should watch suitable video, like what you want to. You are comfortable with stories, so you have to watch stories. You comfortable with podcast, so you have to watch podcast. Don't watch long video. You have to watch only shorts video, isn't it? So how's my video? If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.